What's up, my dudes, and welcome back to a brand new diecast unboxing video. Today we're gonna focus on Hot Wheels. We're gonna go back to our roots, a good old-fashioned Hot Wheels haul and unboxing. So let's go ahead and get started with our one and only premium, which is this awesome Knight Rider kit. A premium kit, that's so cool to me. Grew up with Knight Rider, and I just think this is so awesome. Alright, let's go ahead and crack it open and let's jump off this video. Alright, here we go. Beautiful. Black is hard to film. Doing my best. Let me move this light over some. There we go. But yes, nice heavy casting. Very realistic. Says Knight on the license plate as it should. Rubber tires with realistic tread. Painted metal base, which is very, very glossy. Very appropriate wheels, those are correct. Interior, let's check it over here. Oh wow, look at that. Super realistic, awesome. We got our T-tops up there, and of course our signature kit light. Yeah, this thing is super awesome, and of course it's Hot Wheels, so it rolls all day long. In case you're wondering, I do also have the mainline version, which also looks very nice. It's actually a very nice mainline. And I've got the Super Pursuit Mode kit, which is also very awesome. The interior is not as good on this one, but it's all good. Yeah, these are some awesome cars for sure. Love them. Alright, so there's those. And the rest are just going to be mainlines, but I think they're really cool. I found this Fire and Rescue Impala SS. That's pretty neat. Hot Wheels Rescue. Let's go ahead and crack this open. I think it's Impala is a weird choice for a fire and rescue vehicle, but you know, it's cool. Chief Fire Department. A little bit off from the Tampo there. Not too bad though. Let's see, we got some appropriate deep dish black wheels, black plastic base. Some Tampo striping, and no headlights or taillights, unfortunately. But still pretty cool. Pretty cool. I like that one. Let's put it right there. Alright, next one up. We have another one of these awesome 914 Safaris from Hot Wheels Exotics. My third one of these. I think they're pretty neat. I found this and that Impala at O'Reilly's of all places. There we go. Very cool. Some jerry cans, spare tire, roll cage. Same stuff we've seen. Nice 5-spoke off-road wheels with a chrome lip. Some rally lights. Very plasticky base. Got a skid plate. Pretty neat. Yeah, you guys have seen that one before, I'm sure. Oops. In multiple colors. Let's see what we got next. Ah, yes, another awesome one. Hot Wheels Hot Trucks, an 82 Rampage. We got a new colorway of this one. Very, very cool. Love this casting. I'm so glad that they brought it back. I really want to get the old school Real Riders version from back in the day, but for now we can take a look at this one. Some nice wheels. Nice black and red paint with a red interior. You see the stick shift in there. Some bucket seats. We got us a Honda ATC. I'm going to guess 250. Oh, it's got a hitch. Awesome. Does the other one? I'm going to double check. Interesting. Yeah, I guess it does. Maybe I didn't notice before, but it's very cool. Dig that. Very cool. I just love that it comes with the ATC. That's awesome. Let's see what we got next. This one I also found at O'Reilly's. And I found this one a mere hour ago. I had to go buy some lug nuts for my new center caps. From Hot Wheels Exotics, we got a McLaren F1. Very, very sick. Alright, there we go. Nice 5 SPs. Metallic silver paint, black interior, beautiful headlight work. And the McLaren Tampo looks really nice. Can almost read it. Oh, I love those headlights. They did a great job. Same with the tails. Look at that. Wonderful work by Hot Wheels right there. Yes, this one is excellent, and I'm so happy to have that one in the collection. And finally, my favorite, this awesome red Prelude. Look how beautiful. Now this one I was not able to find in the wild, but when I found out it existed, I paid about $6 for it on eBay. And it was totally worth it. Love these. You guys already know I love Honda. I used to have a Prelude, and I wouldn't mind getting another one. Love it. I love that this casting always has side view mirrors. This time we got some white 10 spokes. And as always, we have beautiful taillight work and logo tampos, or emblem tampos, excuse me. Lensed headlights, which is such a cool addition. Black hood. Everything looks great on this car. Gotta love it. I'm still waiting on my premium Prelude. It was supposed to ship last month, and I'm still waiting on it, so we'll see what happens. But alright, you guys, that was the video. Thank you very much for hanging with me on this Friday afternoon. If you are new to my channel, my name is J-Dog, and I post diecast videos about 2 or 3 times a week, sometimes 4. And if collecting diecast is your thing, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like the video, and I will catch you dudes next time.